Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are so excited to have you here today. If you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe. And for our returning subscribers, thank you for your continued support. Today we are going to discuss about the Django Template Inheritance. First we have to import all the Next create ULS.py file and import all the libraries to it and create a variable called ULS pattern and make list and add the path of function created in views.py file. Next we have to create base.html file in templates folder and add some HTML code into it and use block tag to inherit in another file. We use block title and block head to override this content in extends.html file. Let's see this. Finally, we create extends.html file and add extends tag with base.html file included and see this code carefully. In this block title and block head we override the content of the base.html file, and when we run this code we show the output of the extends.html